Welcome back to Shubhkaamna Academy, where learning explodes with excitement. Today, we are going to dive into a super sore and slippery topic acid and bases. So, let's begin. The contents that we are going to cover today are introduction to acid and bases, properties of acid and bases, the HP scale, and the conclusion. So, have you ever tasted lemon and thought, wow, that's sour? Or felt soap and found it slippery? Congratulations, you have already met acid and bases. Acid covers sour taste like lemon juice and vinegar, while bases covers bitter and slippery like soap or baking soda. And no, we don't taste chemicals in the lab because that's dangerous. In science, acid and bases are two types of chemicals which are very different properties, and we use them every single day. So, what exactly make them different? Let's find out. Acids are substances that donate protons in a chemical reaction and typically have a sour taste, while bases are substances that can accept protons or donate electron pairs. They generally feel slippery, taste bitter, and can turn red litmus paper blue. Importance of acids and bases. Acids and bases are fundamental to chemistry, influencing reaction mechanism, pH balance, and the behavior of chemical species. Now, let's discuss the properties of acids. Let, let's meet team acid. It tastes sour like lemon juice or vinegar. Feel can sting or burn, so never touch strong acids. Litmus test. It turns blue litmus to red. Reactants with chemicals to produce hydrogen gas. Boom. Examples vinegar, lemon juice, and hydrochloric acid in your tummy. The appearance and state. Acid typically appears as colorless, clear liquids but can also be found in solid or gaseous state. Acid typically have a sour taste, which can be observed in foods like lemon and vinegar. Now, talking about the chemical properties, reaction with metals. Acid react with metals, typically realizing hydrogen gas and forming a salt. While neutralization action, acid possesses distinct properties, including sour taste, ability to turn blue litmus to red. Now, say hello to Team Base. It tastes bitter, feels so sloppy, and litmus test paper turns red to blue. It does not react with metals like acids do. You'll find bases in soap, toothpaste, and baking soda. Now, here's the super tool scientists use the pH scale. It measures how acidic or basic a substance is on a scale of 0 to 14. 0 to 6 signifies acidic, red, 7 neutral like pure water, 8 to 14 indicates basic. Now, here we come to the end of the topic. So, to wrap up, acids are sour, bases are bitter, and the pH scales helps us tell them apart. They are in our food, our cleaners, and even inside our bodies. Now, it's your turn. Drop a comment below and tell us what's the one acid and one base you have used at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Only on Shubhkamna Academy, where science is always exciting. Thank you.